In this video, you'll learn how to enable and manage microphone access in Google Chrome so websites, web apps, and online tools can hear you during calls, voice recordings, voice messages, meetings, or audio-based features. If a site can't pick up your voice, the most common reason is that Chrome doesn't have permission to use your microphone. To fix this, start by opening Chrome and clicking the three dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. From the menu, choose Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Privacy and Security, which is where Chrome controls access to personal device features like your camera, microphone, notifications, and location. Next, click Site Settings, and then select Microphone from the list of permissions. On the Microphone Settings page, make sure the default option is set to Sites can ask to use your microphone. This setting doesn't automatically give every site access. It simply allows Chrome to show a permission prompt when a site needs your microphone. When you visit a website that requires audio input, you'll see a small pop-up near the address bar asking whether you want to allow or block microphone access. Chrome also keeps track of sites you've previously allowed or blocked. If your microphone still doesn't work on a specific page, scroll through the allowed and blocked lists to check whether the site was blocked by accident. You can remove it or switch it to allow so it will work the next time you open it. If a site needs access immediately, refresh the page and watch for the permission prompt. If you don't see it, click the lock icon next to the address bar, open the site settings, and set microphone to allow. Chrome may ask you to reload so the change applies. If you're using a headset or external mic, plug it in first so Chrome can detect it properly. With these steps, you'll have consistent and reliable microphone access whenever you need it.